one of the major reasons we got this elevator is because our grandparents, they're quite old now, and we needed them to come and visit our home, which is upstairs, quite regularly. And since we've installed that elevator, my grandfather has been coming up for dinner every night, so it's been perfect. It has a minimalist design, especially if you put it inside the house, and the only thing you see is a tube. So it's very modern, it's very minimalist. We had our cousins visiting in from the US, and they had this idea that everything is broken down, run down in India, but they saw this elevator and everyone just wanted to make videos inside it. It's not just the shape profile, but the actual capsule, the lighting inside, everything is so beautiful. But yeah, it's very sleek. It has a minimalist design, especially if you put it inside the house. And the only thing you see is a tube. So it's very modern. It's very minimalist. Nibav has been special in the sense that although the technology is new, first of all because it's compact. It takes a lot less space than the other conventional elevators available. The novel technology, Pneumatic, it's a pneumatic lift, so that piques our interest. So we just had to go with Nibav. My grandparents, they are quite old, and we were missing out on them not being able to visit our home, which is right upstairs to their home. But after the lift has been installed, thanks to Nibav, my grandparents can now, and they do come and visit us for meals more often than not. So that's been great.